Hey guys, it's Mac from Snapped here, and I don't know about you guys, but I have definitely jumped on the TikTok bandwagon. I'm into it huge. You know what? Let me show you what I got going on. You know what? I think I'm gonna let the CEO of Snap show you guys what really is going on with TikTok.
Now I gotta cut loose. My crocodile wins.
Sing it, baby.
Ting tang, walla walla bing bang, ooh ee ooh ah ah, ting tang, walla walla.
Gonna change the way we live, 'cause we can always take back.
Now that is what I'm talking about. If you guys think you can beat that kind of enthusiasm, be sure to tag us on TikTok at snap.inc. We'll be sure to check out all your videos and be sure to leave us some of your dance moves in the comments below. Get your dancing shoes on.